Just remember, your friends are not your target audience. They're not gonna be supporting you whenever you're gonna be posting videos or anything. But always remember that there are strangers in social media who will find comfort in your videos. So just keep doing what you're doing.
Don't trust anyone. Life is full of fake people who pretend to care, but when you need them the most, they're nowhere to be found. It hurts, but it teaches you to trust yourself. Keep your heart safe and let the real ones prove they deserve a place in your life. Surround yourself with people who see you fully, those who recognize your light, your struggles, and your potential. These are the people who celebrate your wins without jealousy, stand by you during your lows without judgment, and remind you of your worth when you forget it yourself. Life is too short to waste on relationships that drain your energy or make you feel less than you are. Choose to be with those who lift you up, inspire you to grow, and love you for who you are, not for what you can offer. True connections are built on authenticity, trust, and mutual respect. They are the ones who see the real you, even when you try to hide behind masks or doubts. These are the people who walk with you through life's ups and downs. Cheer for you when you succeed, and hold your hand when you stumble. So cherish those who see you fully, and don't be afraid to let go of those who don't. You deserve to be surrounded by love, positivity, and people who truly understand you.
Ngayon, alam ko na bakit nung bata tayo, hinahayaan lang tayong maglaro at mapagod at magpakasaya. Kasi darating pala ang panahon na mapagod din tayo, pero hindi para maging masaya. Mas lamang na yung lungkot. Kaya pala inuutusan tayo ng mga magulang natin noon, hindi para pahirapan tayo. Yung mga utos pala na yun ay magiging aral na babaunin mo pagdating ng panahon. Ngayon, alam ko na. Kaya pala binipili tayong matulog at magpahinga sa tanghali. Hindi para maging malaki at matangkad tayo. Kasi darating tong panahon na yung tinatakasan nating pagtulog sa tanghali noon, kaya hanapin na natin ngayon.
Pasok ng madilim pa, uuwi ng madilim na. Buhay empleyado. Kamusta po kayo?